I grew these seashell blend cosmos and they were really pretty. I was really impressed with them. One thing about them is they grew a lot taller than I thought they were going to. They were like the tallest flowers in my garden besides my sunflowers. They were literally, I have a really tall fence. They were peeking over my fence. Like, that's how tall they were. But they were really pretty. Some of them were like, what is that called? Double petaled, like you see here. You would get these dark pink, purple. This isn't even showing all the different types of flowers I got. I must have got like 6 or 7 different types because, yeah, this is only showing the double petal type. So I did love this from the aspect of you never knew what flower was gonna bloom. It was always a nice surprise because they were always so different. Also, the bees really loved this flower. The bees were always all over these flowers. So I thought that was cute. I would always catch them on my cosmos. I will say the leaves, if you can see, it made really nice like foliage. So I would take, you know, a branch that hadn't bloomed yet and then put that in the back of my arrangements, and it made some really nice, like whimsical, a nice touch to my arrangements. So will I grow it again? I just want to try other different kinds of cosmos. So in the future, I definitely would. Okay, next, I grew zinnias from the Dollar Tree. If you don't know, Dollar Tree puts out seeds every spring for 25 cents, which is a really good price. I got their zinnias. These are the semi-dwarf Pumila mixed colors. Oh my gosh, I'm talking a lot. I just get so passionate when it comes to seeds. So they were very cute. I didn't get a lot of the colors that I wanted. Like you see in the picture, there's like oranges, pinks, dark pinks. Like there's more of a variety of colors. Somehow all I got some pinks, not a lot. Mostly reds, yellows, and oranges. I'll post a picture. I went through a phase where my zinnia patch was like all red and yellow. It was all mustard and ketchup colored, which was fine. I made a lot of red and yellow arrangements, but you know, that's the thing with the mix, I guess, is you never know what you're gonna get. It did make me fall in love with the pink zinnias though, and next year I'm growing a only pink variety because I really loved them. These were super great for arrangements. So I would grow these again, but these definitely introduced me to the world of like, you know, different zinnia varieties. Okay, next I grew these dahlias, the rainbow mixed colors from Walmart, I wanna say. I laugh because these were just such a fail. Like, I struggled so hard to grow these, and the ones that did bloom correctly were really pretty. Nothing compared to like the dahlias you see on Instagram, you know, like the ones that the professionals grow. They're cute little flowers, but again, like I said, like nothing even close to like the really nice dahlias you see the gardeners grow from bulbs. So keep that in mind if you want to grow zinnias from seeds. I don't know if it was just this variety or something I did or what, but I was not like super impressed not growing these again. Like it was just a waste of time, waste of space. That sounds brutal, but like it was rough, really rough. And I only got 3, maybe. I got more that bloomed, but they were like all ripped up for some reason. I don't know what that's about, but they were blooming like if they got shredded to pieces. So not growing this one again. But I do want to get into dahlias one day.